Hello, Sir Ernesto. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing tayo sir na unit na order nyo. The WE High Kappa 5.1 T-Rex Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. So, ayan sir yung unit. Okay. Yan po. Okay, so ngayon, okay naman. Front and rear fiber optic sights. Okay. So, may magwell. Okay. Alright. Tapos, ito yung magazine. Okay. Tapos, may kasama siyang optics mount. Tama ba? Tama, optics mount. Okay. So, if ever na pwede, gusto mo siya lagyan ng red dot, pwede. Alisin mo lang to papalatan. Yun yung kakabit. Tapos, pwede nakabitan ng optics red dot. Okay? So, yun. Alright, so, ito, lagyan natin ng, hindi, wait lang. Medyo check lang natin muna ang screw. No, kasi baka mamaya maluwag. Pagkarga natin ng gas, sisingaw. So, check lang natin. Okay, masikip actually. Okay. So, yan. Pwede na natin lagyan ng BB tsaka gas. Yan. Okay, ngayon, BB naman. So yan, 8 pieces lang. Testingin lang naman natin eh. 8 pieces. Okay? So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out until the time you're going to pull the trigger. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay? So, ito yung chrono natin. Turning on the chrono. 00. Inserting the magazine. Okay? Lakas, nakakabingi. 368. 362. Woo! 358.4 and 354.2. Okay? So, accuracy test na tayo, no? So, for the accuracy test, ang gagamitin natin target is on the second row from the top. And it is the circle or the round that is third from the left. Okay, so third from the left. Okay, so pipicturean ko rin siya. And then, isisend ko sa inyo para picturean ko siya, tapos siguro lagyan ko ng arrow or bibilugan ko para makita niyo kung ano siya. Okay? So, ito na. Barilin na natin. Bang! O nga pala, the target box is 2.3 meters away from me, no? So, yung first two shots natin sa pool, yung 4 cm yung size ng bilog. Okay, so sa pool naman, okay, sa pool pa rin. And sa pool pa rin. So eventually, pag pinakita ko sa iyo yung picture, makikita mo yung 4 na butas niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So ayan sir, nag-opening slide, removing the magazine, wala nang bala. Okay? So, hammer down. Okay? So, ayan sir, okay na to. So, i-testing ko na lang yung extra mag, i-check ko kung may singaw. Then, pag wala naman, ipa ko na siya para madala ko na siya sa courier tomorrow. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.